Hi, my name's Ned Patton. I've been building or rebuilding every house I've ever owned. This is number 6. Today we're going to talk about what some people call how to find a right angle between two walls, but really it's doing cuts in a tile around a corner when you have to cut a corner out of a tile. How do you measure that? How do you do that? First, you have to have a tile saw, a decent tile saw. I bought mine from Harbor Freight. It was only $300, but it works. Good enough for a home job, not good enough for a professional job. To cut this tile going around the corner, what I had to do was to measure the width across here that I need, and that ended up being 5 3/4. I just took a measuring tape and laid it on there. Actually, I had the measuring tape go underneath to make sure that I got enough tile to go under here, because there's a grout joint right there. I need to cover the edge. And then I measured from this tile over to this wall, which is about 4 inches. And so I cut 4 inches off of this side of the tile here, because I've got a 1/4 inch grout joint, and that leaves me off the wall just about the right amount and makes it so that the tile's not too tight to the wall. And then I just made a cut. If I'm making a special cut, I'll make marks with pencils and I'll just go after it. And then you set it on the saw, and before you even turn the thing on, you bring the blade up right to where you want the pencil mark, right where it is. And then back it off a little bit, turn it on, and cut this way and cut that way. Flip the tile over, cut the back side so that I don't have a saw cut mark here in the corner. And then you just break it out and put it down. Of course, you fit it first and make sure that it fits before you do that. Today we talked a little bit about doing cuts in a tile around a corner when you have to cut a corner out of a tile.